Welcome to another 1 Minute Wednesday, where we try our best to cover one of DeskDirector's many features in about a minute. In this video, we will talk about setting up and installing the DeskDirector Teams application. To get started with the integration, you must already be a DeskDirector customer. You must have unblocked the DeskDirector Teams app in the Microsoft Teams admin portal. You will need your DeskDirector Server API key. Install the DeskDirector Teams application. Click on the Add tab option in your team. The first installation of the DeskDirector Teams app must be the Tech Portal. A service agent should begin the process in a Microsoft Teams team where service agents work. Select the Tech Portal option. Enter your site hostname and API key. Confirm that the DeskDirector Content Security Policy has been set. This allows DeskDirector portals to be hosted in Teams. You should see 3 green check marks. The links next to each check mark will navigate you to your admin portal. Click Save when everything is okay. That is setting up and installing the DeskDirector Teams application. Thank you for watching today's 1 Minute Wednesday. See you next time.